Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, chrome mirror caps, one owner. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.